it's Paisley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be packing for a mini one-night hotel trip, and it's just me and my mom. And we're going because Finn, my dad, and Jackie are all going on this like backpacking, hiking, camping trip at the Boundary Waters, and that's just not my cup of tea. So I'm not going and neither is my mom because we don't like backpacking and stuff. So yeah, let's get right onto the video. Let's go. Okay, so the bag I'm going to be using is just this backpack. It has zebra stripes. It's blue on the inside if you wanted to know. So let's start by packing my clothes. So I've got all the clothes I need here, so let's start from my outfit. So we're just going to put my outfit in like this back pocket because I want to do that, so I'm going to do that. So what I chose is I just chose a blue romper with a white shirt, and it has white stripes, so it'll match. Okay, let's put that in the back. Oh, and the shirt has like the shoulders not cut out, but it's like kind of lace, so like that. So let's put that, and I took it out of my very nicely folded wardrobe. I'm bragging because I just organized my wardrobe and it looks really good. So, the next thing I will be packing is my pajamas. And guys, I'm packing 2 pairs of pajamas even though it's one night. Because I might spill something on the first pair. Also, actually, that has happened on multiple occasions. Like, once I was at Christmas and I spilled juice. Like, I was at my great and grandma's house for Christmas, and I spilled juice. I'm going to put this in the same pocket all over my pair of pajamas. It was only one night, so that's how I've learned to pack 2 pairs of pajamas. So, I don't know why both t-shirts I chose were black, but that was what was in my drawer, so. Let's put that so they're just in there. So, that's basically not all my clothes, but, like, clothes. So, where is that bag? Aha! Okay, so now I'm going to be putting, like, my underwear and socks in here, and you don't need to see me do that, because that's personal stuff, okay? Well, not my socks, but here we go. I'm just putting my socks in. And now here's just, like, my undergarments, if you want to be fancy. And I'm just going to put that probably just in this side pocket, like, not in, like, kind of, like, in here, like, just there on the side. And the next thing I'm going to pack is a sweater. I don't know why I'm stroking it like this, but because just in case it gets cold and at the hotel and I just want to put it on a sweater, so let's just put that in. And also I usually like to wear a sweater over my pajamas. That's not weird. The next thing I'm going to pack is a tank top, just in case I don't want to wear a t-shirt. Yeah. So I'm just going to pack that next to my sweater. So that is all my clothes. And let's move on to toiletries. So now I got all my toiletries. So I'll take them out one by one and show them to you, and then you will be so interested that you will automatically subscribe. Okay, so the first thing I have is Cetaphil face wash, and I just put this in like a plastic bag because it spills and it's really gross because it gets everywhere. Okay, yes. Moving on, the next thing I have is Aquaphor because it's really good, like, for eczema, which I have, if you hadn't seen. So, yeah, it's also good. Oh, tip, if you don't want to bring chapstick but need to use Aquaphor, you can also use this for, like, your lips. Like, it says, because it says on the back chapped lip, you can use it for chapped lips. So, yeah. The next thing I will be bringing is, this goes with skincare, some cotton face cleansing pads, and I just put a few of these in just this old, like, Q-tip, like, box, just so I can take them out and don't have to bring the huge package. So, why did the lighting just change? Oh. Okay, guys, sorry about the weird faces I always make. So, the next thing I have is a toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. I just had to do that. Okay, it's just like a normal toothbrush. It's pink and black. And then I have my hairbrush. And this hairbrush is I really love this hairbrush. It's from Wet Brush. Sponsor me, Wet Brush. This is an ad for Wet Brush. I love wet brushes. I actually do. And they are so good on your hair. Especially snarly hair like mine. So go get yourself a wet brush at your local store. Oh, and I also just attached a hair tie to it just so, like, I wanted to also bring a hair tie, and so I just attached it to that so I didn't have to add, so I wouldn't lose it or stuff. The next thing I have is a mini toothpaste, and this is just one I got from the dentist's office. And yeah, I just bring mini toothpaste instead of a full-size toothpaste. It's just so much easier than bringing it, like, just because we're only going for one night. So, what happened to my voice? Okay, guys, the next item is some chapstick. It's peppermint chapstick. And yeah, it's really good. Not good to eat, but like, you know what I mean. It smells really good. So yeah. I don't know why that clip was necessary, but it was. So, and the bag I'm going to be using is just this green bag from Mayamica Trendy Travel Accessories. And I've barely had it for any time at all, and it's already that stained, because when I brought it to camp, I wrote my name on it, and it, like, got stained, so that was sad. But, yeah. Let's put this all back in. I still do have one more travel thing, which is Cetaphil. This is really good if you have eczema, or really just if you have dry skin. Cetaphil is the best, and it's really amazing. And I'm not putting it in my toiletry bag. I'm just putting it in this pocket because I can, and also because I use it a lot, and I'm probably going to be taking it out, not just at night, but just all the time. So yeah, I think we're going to put the toiletries here. So yeah, that is my toiletries. I don't know why, but I love doing this. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. I just had to do that. So the next, Okay. The next thing I will be packing is my Harry Potter book. And I am a Harry Potter nerd, if you didn't know that. You probably should have been saw by the Harry Potter necklace I never take off and wear in every single one of my videos. But if you hadn't, then here it is right now. So I'm just going to be packing this. It's the third one, The Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter and The Prisoner of Azkaban. It's one of my favorites. Actually, all of them are my favorite. I have a Slytherin headband right here. I'm going to wear this. Okay. I got this at Harry Potter World in London, if you wanted to know. Oh my gosh, I sound like a robot. Okay. So I'm just going to be putting my book, like, just in this pocket right here. And I'm just basically packing, like, not random stuff, but, like, random stuff. And so I also am going to be packing my swim goggles because there's a pool there. Hey, you know, these are actually really good just for, like, everyday wear. So I think I'm going to be wearing these for the rest of the video. Bear with me. So the next thing I am going to be packing is my charger and iPad, but those I'm using that to film this video and to charge my iPad while I film this video. Oh yeah, so I think that's actually it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! Subscribe to me. Bye! Turn on post notifications. Bye!